Most of Galveston, close to downtown, is built in the old style. It's built of wood. We have one alleyway, and you can tell these homes are built, you know, maybe 100 years ago, maybe 80 years ago, I'm not sure, but they are pretty nice. I would say I'm like 1 block from the beach at this point. And this close to the water, parking is of course rare. And if you find a parking lot, it's most likely full. So they let a couple of cars go out, and then they let the, you know, 2 or 3 of the other cars go in. That's how they are rolling in this town. Oh, for sale. Maybe I should buy this one and move around in town. It seems like that's the best way. But you still need to find parking, right? So it doesn't matter if you have a golf cart or a real car. Parking is hard. But I'll tell you the secret. Just go up a couple of blocks and walk down to the beach. How about that? You get some exercise on the way down. Don't be afraid, guys. Move your legs. When you finally arrive to the Seawall Boulevard, you will find plenty of restaurants and drinking places, and also a pleasure pier. And you can clearly see the Gulf of Mexico and a big truck blocking the view. All right, I'll follow the flow here. You can drive in both directions many miles on this boulevard, and it will go right next to the ocean. Wow, people are camping out under this pier. I don't know why you would do that. Maybe to get away from the intense sun. That's the only explanation I have. But most people hang out in the sand.
What's up, man? What's up, YouTubers?
Woo!
You need some water.
I have water.
I know, but you need some more. $2. Support small teenager business.
$2 to support. Okay, I will support.
Yes.
Yeah, so you have a customer. All right, let me see if I have $1. $2, right?
Yes.
I give you $3 for tip.
Thank you.
Extra. Here's one. That's the tip. And then two. Yeah.
Yeah, go subscribe to him.
Woo!
Yes, sir.
He's a kind man.
Okay,
Kind
thank you.
soul.
All right, guys. Have a nice day.
You too, thank you.
Okay, I supported these kids. I love it. Now I'm going to hang out and drink the water. I really do need water. This is my investment. A $2 bottle and $1 in tip. And it's ice cold, which is nice. I need that. Okay, guys. See you in a minute. Yeah, I just had it's the best water I ever had.
Really?
Oh, it is.
Put it up.
The best.
He's a YouTuber.
Yeah.
Yes, hey, what's your channel?
What's your channel?
They are asking what the channel is. Okay.
Are you live?
Swedish video guy.
Swedish video.
Swedish video
Okay,
guy.
we're gonna go subscribe.
All right.
Thank you. Have a
See you
good
guys.
day.
All right. Oh, you can have fun when you walk around. Lots of people. And I believe you have to buy a wristband to go inside. Let's see how far we can go. Oh, I think I have to stop by this fence. Something happened in 1906. They started to build, I guess, like a little park, an amusement park on a pier, and it has developed. And now in 2012 they call it the Pleasure Pier. And they explain all the rides they offer on the inside if you have a wristband. And of course, I don't have one, so I am screwed. Look at that carousel. The kids are having a blast. I mean, it's like I'd like to go up there. But if I sit down in one of these, right, it will definitely break. So I think I have to pass. Well, maybe it's easier to go down the next one. But as you can see, it's a nice place. If you want something to eat, you probably sit, you know, on the balcony. And I know if you go down like a quarter of a mile in this direction, you have hundreds of these other restaurants and bars. I have seen better sand, of course. This is definitely different. It's hard, it's gray, almost like a powder. All the way at the end, I see a Ferris wheel. Texas has a lot to offer. Not only beaches, but also interesting areas inland, like the western part of Texas, which is mostly sand. And if you come down to Houston, it's a lot of swampland because you are close to Louisiana. Right on the beach in Galveston, somebody came up with the idea to build an amusement park. And you see that behind me. So if you're into Ferris wheels and carousels and other stuff, this will be your place. Come and enjoy. But remember, you need to buy a wristband, otherwise you can't go in. As you can see, this beach is extremely popular. It's okay. It's not my favorite beach though, because there is really no white sand. And the Gulf of Mexico itself is not the cleanest. Keep in mind, they have been pumping oil out in the Gulf for a very long time. And they have all kind of oil leaks and many other problems. You can still go out without dying, of course, but I'm just saying it's not my favorite beach. But I'm still walking on it, so I'm not sure if I can believe myself. How about that? Some of these attractions are also extremely noisy. People are screaming. And I'm not sure if I would like to be all the way at the top on that crazy carousel. Oh boy. Maybe I'm too old, guys. I like to be down on the sand instead of up in the air. These seagulls can be annoying. I don't know why they are hanging out on this beach near all these people. Look at this. It's a swarm of seagulls. Driving people nuts, probably. Or maybe they are feeding them. And that's a mistake. Once you start, they will come back forever.